Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a reliable dynamic spot app and immediately grant overlay, notification, and accessibility permissions. This lets the feature draw and read notifications. Once done, open the app and pick an anchor location near the front camera or status bar so notifications won't obstruct content. Make sure to set size and animation preferences now, because those affect touch targets later. Finally, add the core apps you want visible in the spot, so only relevant alerts appear while you proceed. Now you configure behaviors. Assign single-tap actions for quick opens, long press for menus, and swipe for dismissals. This makes the spot feel native. Once done, integrate media controls and call insets so music, timers, and incoming calls show interactive content inline. Make sure to tweak sensitivity and timeout values to avoid accidental taps during scrolling. Finally, test with a notification and media playback. Watching real interactions reveals if animations or hitboxes need refinement before finish by running targeted tests. Send a message, play media, and simulate a call to confirm the spot behaves as expected. Once you verify functionality, lock in battery exemption for the app so the system doesn't kill overlays. Make sure battery optimization is disabled. If the spot disappears, check overlay and notification permissions, reboot, then test again. As a last resort, clear app data or reinstall. This usually resolves configuration conflicts and restores a working dynamic island-like spot.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.